Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you and I've got February's Medusa'S makeup. This is what the box looks like. So Medusa'S makeup is a cruelty-free and vegan makeup and skincare beauty box. It's a monthly beauty box and it comes from the US. Now it costs $16.95 and that includes free shipping in the US, or they ship internationally for an additional cost. To the UK it's an extra $10. It works out to be around £20 including shipping. So obviously if you are in the US then this is quite an affordable monthly subscription box. It works out to be, I don't know, about £12 to £13 a month, something like that. So inside you get around 4 to 5 beauty products and it's all from Medusa'S makeup range. They have a massive online store so you're able to buy all their products on there as well. But they're a little bit different in that they specialise in bold pigments and sort of edgy designs. So I've been receiving this now for about a year, just on and off, now and again. This is sent to me as PR, so this is gifted to me from Medusa'S makeup in order to show you and tell you all about it. But yeah, let's see what I got inside this month's box. So the theme for February's box is Heartbreaker and there's 4 products inside and it tells you everything about them plus the value, so I'm able to tot it all up and to tell you at the end. And then there's a leaflet in here which I had a month or 2 ago, and it's just telling you what 2020 is going to be in store with some new brands and some new items that they're going to be introducing in their boxes. Ooh, I'll give you a quick sneak peek first, so there you go. So the first item is a Rage Against the Beam. It's a vanilla lip balm, and does it say anything else in it? No. Really cool packaging as always. You can see there. So it's a vanilla lip balm. Oh my gosh, it smells gorgeous. Oh, it smells really nice. I won't put it on my lips because I've got lipstick on. So yeah, it goes on my hand really nicely as well. It's quite soft and buttery. That is lovely. So we got a lip balm there. So let me see how much this will cost. So to buy this lip balm, it'll cost you $8.95. With a matte finish and moisturising lip balm texture, this tint-free tube of soothing lip balm glides on smoothly to nourish dry lips while keeping them revitalised and hydrated. So there you go. So first item, we got a lip balm. Next we got a liquid lipstick, and this is a matte liquid lipstick, and does it have a shade Striptease. So that's the outer packaging. Forgot to say as well that they offer a rolling monthly subscription which you can cancel any time. Plus they offer a 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost as well. So this is the lipstick. So it's a nudie lipstick. I just put a little bit on top of my lips. There, I know it's on top of another lip shade, but I just wanted to try it, but I can feel it mattifying down now. But that's quite nice. That is really nice. That is so tacky. That is really tacky. It is like glue. I really like the colour. I know I've applied it on top of my previous colour, which is more of a warm sort of corally brown shade, but yeah, so it might not look like this otherwise, but yeah, it is really, it is like glue on my lips. So I'd be interested in seeing what that's like without the lipstick underneath. Some matsy, I have to put lip oil on my lips because I just don't like the feeling. They're a little bit too dry. I wonder if this is one of them. But I like the colour though. I do like colour. So it's a new product alert, and this beautiful lipstick goes from wet to matte in a matter of seconds. Yes. Our stay on all day formula glides on smooth for easy application, then dries to the perfect matte lip. And to buy this it'll cost you $11.95. So we got a super strong lipstick there. Next we got a little pigment pot here, and this is Eye Dust and it's Full Moon. Yeah, that's what it looks like there. I'll just open it up and try it. Just a little bit. So it's white, but then it's got like a pink shift to it. That is really pretty. That is really pretty. Very subtle. It's not too in your face. If it was, I wouldn't wear it. But no, that's quite nice. Oh, you can also see like sort of peachy tones to it as well. Oh, there. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see much there. But that'd be quite nice for like a halo eye, or maybe like an inner corner highlight or something. But no, I do like it. It is quite subtle. You can definitely see it, but it's not like totally in your face. which I'm happy about. You might not be happy, you might love in your face type highlighters. It's not a highlighter, it's an eyeshadow. Less is more. It's truly an amazing mineral eyeshadow, aka unicorn dust in the form of finely milled shimmering loose pigment. Think powdered sugar. This all natural mineral eye dust is by far the best in the industry. It glides on the skin like silk and wears all day long, and to purchase it, it will cost you $8. So we got an eye dust. And then lastly, we've got an eyeshadow, and I've had one of these before. It's from the Glam Rock range, and what shade are we? Rhapsody. There. Packaging is cool, isn't it? It is so cool. I really like it. See there? So let's try it. Oh, that is so nice. It's a burgundy. It's a burgundy purple, and it feels so nice. Look at this. The eyeshadow just fell out. It just fell out. Oh my gosh, how annoying. How annoying. I'll just pack that in. I didn't even notice, look. Ah, I've got to be careful. Right, I'll shut that. It goes on super smooth. It is really lovely. You can pack that on for an intense colour or not. You can have it just a subtle sort of shimmer. My hand looks a right mess. But no, it's a gorgeous colour, a really gorgeous colour. I really like that. So to buy this eyeshadow, it will cost you $9, and it's a vegan glam rock eyeshadow in a high pigment shimmer finish from neutral hue to extreme colour. So there's that. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and add them all up, and I'll be back. So these are all the products inside Medusa's Makeup February box. Now the box costs $16.95, or if you're shipping from the UK, it'll cost $26.95. The value of this box is $38, and yeah, we got 4 items here. We got a liquid lipstick, we've got an eye dust, we've got an eyeshadow, and we got a lip balm. I think they're lovely. I think they're really nice. I like these eyeshadows. They're really pretty. Lip balm always handy. Looking forward to trying this, as I said, without the lipstick on and just on my normal lips to see what it's like and how long it does last. But yeah, overall I think it's a nice box. But if I was living in America, I would 100% get this every single month. For $16.95, I think it's a really great affordable box. And you're getting cruelty-free vegan makeup, and they're all full size. And yeah, they're just really quirky and a bit different. But I've got to be honest, I'm not sure I would get it if I was in the UK. Because you're talking around £21 for these, and as much as I like them, I'm not sure if I'd want to pay that every single month. I don't think so. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think? The reason I accept these boxes is because a lot of my viewers are outside the UK, so I want to bring in boxes that are available for everyone, really. So I'm really grateful that Medusa's Makeup sends them to me, and I'm really grateful to give the makeup a try and everything, because I do really like it. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Do you subscribe from the UK? Is it a box that you enjoy receiving, or are you not a subscriber, or you're not interested? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I'm not really myself at the moment. I am full of cold, even though you probably can't tell because I've got a ton of makeup on. But I am struggling a bit and I'm getting a bit hot. But regardless, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.